very interesting, I can assure you. I know that you have come here for one thing, mostly, and that is the truth. You're looking for the truth. Now the truth. The truth is in you. That is where it is. And I am going to help you find it. You realize things are happening. And you No, really. It's not like that. It's like this. The secret. The secret. The secret that you seek is not really a secret. It's just you cannot find it until you are ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? I think so. Yes. It seems that we are getting some feedback. Back in time. In the present. In the moment. You are the present. I am sure that you all are wondering what the solution is. The solution is you. The solution is you. You are the solution. You are the solution. It is simply a good thing that you are here. Simply a good thing that you are here. Simply a good thing that you are here. It's simply a very good thing that you are here. Because you will come to know the truth. Because you are connected to the source. The original source. The original source. The original source. Originality. Yes. It is good that I have this chance to tell you what it is that you do not know. So it is important that love who does not want to be loved. We don't know. But we do know. We do know that the time has come for the truth to be known. The truth about your reality as an individual and as a group, as a collective. Yes, as a collective. So it is important that we have unity. Yes, it is very important that we have unity. So, let me tell you what it means to live the truth next time. I was wondering what it is that we have all forgotten. And I realized what it was. That you are me. And you are creating this. Everything that you see. I am you. And you are me. At least that's a storyline. I have realized something. That there's only one thing that's real. Everything else is an illusion. It's love. Love is the only thing that is real. That and the experience of the illusion. So, anyway. We should probably work on the revolution. It is time for a revolution. A revolution that was never possible before. So, you are invited. Please RVSP. Thank you. In the infinite play. The infinite players. Welcome to the game. Welcome to the game. Welcome to the game. Don't worry. There's nothing to fear except yourself.